Hi guys, Taylor here. I am super excited today because I am going to be doing a whole video series on a question that I get all the time, which is how do I keep my hair long, thick and voluminous, and how does it grow so fast? I'm going to be breaking down different components of that because the real answer is it's definitely not just one thing. Part one, we're going to be talking about things that seemingly have nothing to do with your hair growing long. What I found is that they make a huge impact. When I don't do them, I can definitely tell a difference. I know people hate to hear this, but if you are dehydrated, meaning you're not drinking the amount of water recommended to you every single day, then it's gonna be really, really difficult for your hair to grow because you're just gonna get a ton of breakage and just your whole body just doesn't function well. I make it a goal of mine to drink 1 gallon of water a day, which I know sounds like a lot, but it's really not. Finding a really good collagen supplement. I was never a huge believer in collagen supplements. I'm like, do they really work? Guys, I'm telling you, I've been consistently using mine for 2 months now, and I have noticed a huge difference, not only in my hair, but also my skin, my nails, my lashes, everything. They have so many different types and products out there, so I recommend just finding one that you like and sticking to that. It does take a while to start to see results. It's not a quick fix, but incorporating that will make your hair grow a lot faster and be just a lot healthier in general, along with all of the other benefits that come along with that. Making sure you're getting all your vitamins, your minerals. If you're just eating fast food every day, you're not eating your fruits and veggies, you're not taking at least a vitamin supplement to make sure that you are getting those vitamin A's, vitamin C's, vitamin D's in your body's just not gonna work right. And that includes your hair. Having a good vitamin supplement, making sure that you are getting fruits and veggies and all of those good things in your diet is only gonna help make your hair grow super long, super thick, and super strong. So if you take care of it, like following the tips that I'm telling you in this video, you should not have to get your hair cut every 4 to 6 weeks. I do every 6 months, only like a ½ an inch to an inch off the bottom. All right, guys, that is the part 1 video. Stay tuned for part 2.